Good morning. Today we're going to be talking about ads. Hey there, it's Josh Ezell, Breakthrough Real Estate and Property Management. Hope you're having a fantastic week. Today we're talking about ads, and specifically with what we've been doing over the last several weeks, we've been staying busy. We've been doing open houses, we've been door knocking, we've been getting in touch with our past clients. There's a lot of stuff going on, and that's the theme. Ultimately, if you're always staying busy, holding events, getting new listing, talking about sales, talking about neighborhoods, talking about your farm, following up with your past clients, sending out CMAs, you always have things of value that you're using. And that is your tool. That is your key to success, right? Every single time you have a sale, you have a just listed. Every new listing you have a new listing, right? You have a coming soon. Every time you get something under contract, that's an under contract. Every time you have a closing, you have a closing. Open houses are events coming soon. Farms, you have market updates that you can blast out. And even if you don't have anything going on necessarily in your direct business at this moment, I'm sure your brokerage has listings and sales that you could be advertising. One of the greatest things that people can do is send out just cool things going on in the market. Through our CRM, we could actually send out Facebook ads, right? Facebook allows you to do videos. It allows you to do all kinds of great material to keep in front of people. And one of my favorites is just cool things like check out the top 10 least expensive homes in this area, and then you just go through the areas. Check out the most expensive homes in these areas. Check out these homes that have been listed for over a year. Check out this list of bank-owned homes, short sales. I mean, there's so many different angles. And your goal, and what we're going to be doing moving forward, is every week or 2 weeks, we're going to be doing a new ad. And I can't be the expert for your particular area, so I'm just going to keep throwing out different ideas, and hopefully you're able to grab them, throw them out there, and we're all going to make this a win-win, okay? So that's your task today. Find a cool angle, create an ad, send it out to everybody, whether it's Facebook, Facebook, email, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat. There's so many that you could do. Tackle as many. LinkedIn. Find out as many and use them all. Okay? Let me know what you post. Let me know the results. Please share this tidbit. And have a great day. I'll talk to you tomorrow.